Good morning, James Everett here again. Had some rain last night. I was at work just getting home. Seeing how first good rain after I've dug out my drainage ditch that used to collect a lot of water here that would probably be filled up to there where that water jug is, but let's go ahead and do a little tour. Alright. Not sure how much rain we actually had out here yet, but I do notice that this first little pit is nice full and it overflowed into where my overflow goes. Oops. And that is nice and wet. Anyway, so water filling up to here, looking good. Okay, let's see. Water filled up pretty good down there, it looks like. Some of it's already infiltrated or didn't drain quick. I don't know what happened there exactly, but let's see. Either it's already infiltrated there enough, overflowed to help fill that up too. And it looked like it started to overflow to here, but it hadn't actually. Not sure how much overflowed here, because it looks like it's either drained well or just didn't rain enough for that. Let's take a look at here at the new swell I'm starting. Haven't finished yet. Let's see. It's from right here. So looks like some water was in there, but already soaked in nice, if it did at all. I don't see any. Whoops, watch it, Bella. I almost hit you. Yes. So it doesn't look like the overflow to this one. Oh wait, what do we got here? It looks like water is draining out on down because there's water running. Nice. Maybe this will swell out. Either case, still got to finish expanding on that, but that's kind of what the wider part of this new swell working on. As you can tell, I still got a ways to go on that, and I still got to finish digging this little island that's here, digging all that out, so that'll help fill up here, probably fill out some of that back there up. Who knows what I'm going to do with all that, but that right there, oops, as you can tell, just to give you an idea of how much water. Got the pickaxe here. So good up. I don't know. You take. Anyway. Oop. Sorry, Genji. Oop. Anyway. Sorry for the last minute craziness, but didn't look like the draw had too much moisture. But enough. Oh, really? What is it, Well, what's the guy? What are y'all seeing over there? Here, see what the dog's chasing. Or y'all just barking at the car. Anyway, that's it for now. Just mainly wanted to show y'all the water drainage that collected last night. Pretty good. I like it. Bye for now.